Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to study abroad with cultural experiences abroad, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for cultural experiences abroad. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid any login issues. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Submit button. Wait a moment as your credentials are processed. If the information is correct, you will be logged into your account. You will now have access to your profile and all available programs. If you encounter an error, ensure your email and password are correct. If issues persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.